I'm going to show you how to use this watercolor template. It's very simple to use. First thing you're going to do is you open up your template. You'll see that there's a heart layer. You click it on and off. A text layer. Click it on and off. You cannot edit it, but you can turn it off and write your own. I mean, you cannot change the wording, but you will be able to change the color, and I'll show you in a second. And you're going to have a clipping mask layer. That's your watercolor layer. And you're going to have the watercolor paper as a background. First thing you'll do is go to File, Place Embedded, find a photo that you want to use. So we'll go to here, this cute little boy, and I put him in. If it doesn't fit and cover the entire image, then you're going to want to use your free transformation tool, Command-T, and size it and move it to the location that you like. Press OK. Make sure that it is above your clipping mask. That is the most important part. If it's not, just grab your layer and drag it. Now you're going to right click on your layer, create clipping mask, and voila, you have moved him into the template. He's adorable. He fits beautifully in this template, but if you feel that you'd like to see more of him inside the heart, just grab him. And I have my move tool, and I have this checked off here, show transformation control, so I don't have to press Command T. But if you don't have that checked, you press Command T to open up your transformation tool and just move him. You can resize him a little bit too if you want, into where you would like him, and you're done. So now here's how we're going to change up the color of the effects and the heart. So I've already opened up and made you an effects panel, but this is how you do it. You click on the layer, right click on it, go to blending options, and then you can change anything. You could change color, you can put a gradient overlay, a color overlay, add stroke. So you'll see here that I have already added a color overlay to the heart, which is purple. Don't have to use that, but all you need to do is click on color overlay, double click on it, and it brings you right up to what I was working on. Now make sure that this is highlighted, color overlay. Go to the color panel and select a new color, and that'll keep changing up the color for you. It's really simple, so if you want to custom match it to the photo that you choose, it's as easy as that. All right, press OK, and if you don't want it, turn it off, and it goes back to the original color. Same exact thing for the text. Now I have already selected a color overlay for the text, which is something that sort of matches the heart here. Again, if you want to change the color overlay, just double click on color overlay. It opens up the panel and it brings you right to the color overlay that I have already created for you. Click on that color, find a color that you prefer, press OK, OK, and now you have a new color. You can also just turn it off. You can turn off all effects, and you'll just have the template as it was created. Okay, that's hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.